Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're going to be looking at a lot of cool options from Spartan blades, which you can find over at knifecenter.com. Even though they were only founded in 2008, Spartan quickly established themselves as a powerhouse, thanks to high precision manufacturing with the best materials and techniques, as well as collaborations with superstar knife makers like Bill Harsey and Les George. Their top-notch fixed blades and folders draw from the company's owners' 40-plus years of military experience to create cutlery that's not only functional, but has an eye-catching style that's instantly recognizable. All of their blades are big and bad, but perhaps none more so than the Harsey-designed Difensa, one of the most perfect combat knives out there that can take a ton of abuse. It was built at the request of Canadian Special Operations Forces, looking for a knife that would serve them just as well in the north woods of their homeland and on worldwide deployments alike. The 6-inch drop point blade features PVD-coated S35 VN steel with a flat grind and a tapered swedge, providing excellent cutting geometry and good tip strength for penetration. The Difensa's full tang and 3/16-inch thick steel mean it has plenty of strength to take tons of abuse, and the balance is neutral for easy handling. The forward finger choil provides a nice place to choke up on for fine work or to use when dislodging the blade from your target. Rounding things out are ergonomic and textured canvas micarta handles, providing comfortable and confident grip when wet or dry. If you want something a bit smaller and probably even more versatile, we have the Harsey Tactical Trout, designed to be a very comfortable and robust mid-size knife for most field tasks and for defensive use. The TT's size makes it easy to carry and wield while still being large enough to be imposing. Like the Difensa, it features an S35 VN drop point with a flat ground main bevel and a swedge. It's enhanced even further with a continuous sweeping profile, giving you clean cutting action all the way up to the fine tip. Again, a full tang and linen micarta handles provide a neutral and confident grip. For those who want their tactical gear to be a bit more low profile, we have the Spartan Close Quarters Battle Tool. As the name would suggest, this blade was made to be used when situations get up close and personal. It was designed to be slim and easily stowed and can be rapidly deployed in a rough situation. It's made from a solid single piece of 154 cm steel with a Spartacoat DLC blade coating. Finger grooves and an integrated ring keep things secure, and with a double edge sharpened halfway down the blade, it can pierce like few other things out there. Aside from their excellent tactical fixed blades, Spartan also makes world-class folders, the most notable of which is the SHF, again designed by Bill Harsey, a knife that won Blade Show's American-Made Knife of the Year award in 2016. While there is an abundance of super steel-equipped titanium frame-locking folders in the world, the SHF sets itself apart with exceptional build quality and a very well-rounded design. The S35 VN flat ground drop point blade makes it a champ at hard work, and the sturdy handles give it a secure and comfortable grip in the hand. If you want a bit of style to go along with the performance, they offer several variants with engraved graphics, along with some using Chad Nichols Damascus, which you can find at the Knife Center. By taking a no-compromises approach to manufacturing and designing knives with intent, Spartan Blades makes a tool that can get you through any adventure, from the home front to the battlefield and anywhere in between. You'll be hard-pressed to find a better line of knives with this level of fit and finish that can also get down and dirty when you need them to. To get your hands on these or any other of the Spartan blades we carry, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content, and in the meantime, don't forget to visit knifecenter.com and sign up for our newsletter for coupon codes and all the deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.